my name is Marilyn, and if you're not new, welcome back. So if you guys notice that I have the same clothes for like 3 videos, it's because I'm like pre-filming today because I don't really have that much time to film videos anymore because of school. But anyways, today I'm going to be doing an unboxing video, and this time it is for Influenster, and here it is. I believe this is like the 3rd box I get this month. I'm not sure what this one is called. It just says just for you right there, and it says Influencer right there, and it says fragile liquids. So let's unbox this. And if you guys haven't signed up to Influencer, it is completely free and they send you free stuff to review, so make sure to go check them out. I have the link in the description box so you guys could go sign up. Anyways, oh my gosh. Okay, so this is what the box looks like, and it always comes with a card. And this one says, oh, and this one is the Reviewer's Choice VoxBox. Oh, that's exciting. So it just tells me how to review the products in here. Oh, and then it tells me the items that they sent me. So they sent me 4 different brands in the box. So let's check it out. So this is what it looks like inside. And I'm going to start off with this little bottle right here. And this one is the Cerave Foaming Facial Cleanser for normal to oily skin. And that is perfect because if you guys don't know, I have super oily skin. So I'm excited to try this out. And this one says cleans and softens without drying, and this is what it looks like. It's just a little sample, so I'm excited to try this out, and I will be trying this out tonight. The Cerave Foaming Facial Cleanser, developed with dermatologists to deeply cleanse and remove excess oil without disrupting the skin barrier. So cool, I'm excited for this. Okay, let's see the next thing that they sent me. It is a okay, this one is from La Roche-Posay, and this one is the Acne Blemishes, Blackheads, Whiteheads. This Effaclar Dual Action Acne Treatment reduces the number and severity of acne blemishes, clears blackheads and whiteheads. So this is interesting. I have never seen this before. It says reduce up to 60% in just 10 days. So that's really cool, and I'm super excited to try this out. I mean, I don't really have acne right now because I've been trying to eat healthier and not eat stuff that breaks me out, like peanuts and like peanut butter, Reese's peanut butter cups. I've been trying to be more careful when I eat so I don't drop food on my face because that causes me to break out as well. But since I am supposed to be trying this out pretty soon, I'm going to get some butter pecan ice cream and Reese's peanut butter cups that could break out and then test this out. I mean, I like eating all of that, but I just don't eat it because it breaks me out. I guess it's like an allergy reaction or something. And there's like a little picture right there of a person with acne and then reduced acne. So that's pretty cool. Hopefully it actually works. But anyways, I'm excited to try this out, and I will let you guys know. If not, I'm just going to put it on my Influencer and you guys can go check it out if you guys follow me there. Okay, let's see. For the next product, it is this little thing right here that's wrapped. I'm not sure what brand this is. Oh, I'm excited. Okay, so I'm excited for this. This is a Maybelline Master Chrome by Face Studio Metallic Highlighter in the shade 100 Molten Golden. And look how pretty that is. I don't know if you guys can see the shimmers. It looks super pretty. I don't think I've ever tried a Maybelline highlighter. I'm going to open it right now. And this is what it looks like. It looks super pretty. I'm going to swatch it. I don't want to ruin it. It looks so pretty. It looks like a pyramid. It looks really cool. Okay, I'm going to swatch it. Ooh, feels so buttery. It looks like it's going to be pigmented, so let's... Whoa, that's pretty. Okay, this is really pretty. So I'm super excited to use this. I'm super happy about this. Maybelline Face Studio Master Chrome Metallic Highlighter Makeup. Meet the secret to brilliant and luminous skin. The highlighter powder in shade Molten Gold drenches skin in a melted metallic finish. Well, this is nice. I'm super excited for this. Oh, they sent me 5 items instead of 4. I thought it was just 4, but it's 5. Okay, so the next thing, it is also from Maybelline, and this one is a mascara. This one is a Maybelline 253 Black is Black Lash Sensational Mascara, and it's this one right here. I have actually used this before, and I really like this, so I'm super happy that I have another one of these. I'm not sure if they changed the formula. It doesn't say on here. It says full fan effect, layers of lashes revealed. I'm going to be reading off the card now. It says Maybelline Lash Sensational Mascara, a cult fan favorite. Lash Sensational Mascara delivers fully fanned out volume from root to tip and a weightless feel. Cool, I'm super excited for this. I think the one that I tried was waterproof, and I don't think this one is waterproof. Yeah, it says washable mascara. Anyways, I'm super happy that I got another mascara because I love using mascaras. And let's see, one more thing in here. Okay, so they sent me another thing for acne, and this one is the Cos RX, and this one is the Acne Pimple Master Patch. So this is interesting. I have never tried anything like this before. And this one is the Adf Hydrocolloid Dressing, 24 patches. And then on the bottom it says skin benefit, fast acting, act as a protective cover, non-drying. So I'm guessing this is like band-aid. So this is interesting. I had never tried this before, but I'm excited to try this out. This acne patch effectively protects the inflamed area to create the ideal environment for rapid healing. So that's pretty cool. I'm really excited for this. Watch, now that I have all of this stuff for acne, I'm not gonna break out. I'm going to open it. Oh, that's interesting. So there's like small patches and then like even smaller patches. I don't know if you guys could see them. So it just depends how big your pimple is. Anyways, I will have to try this out and see how that works. And that is everything that Influenster sent me for this box. For the Reviewer's Choice VoxBox. Here, I forgot to show you guys what this looks like. The Roche-Posay Effaclar Duo Acne Treatment. Oh, okay. It looks like a toothpaste. And this is what it looks like, and this is what the tip looks like. Let me know in the comments below if you guys have tried this before and did it work for you guys. I would like to know what you guys think of this. And so yeah, that is everything that they sent me. But anyways, thank you so much to Influenster for sending me this. I really appreciate it, and I can't wait to try all of this out and review it. Anyways, if you guys haven't signed up to Influenster, like I said in the beginning of this video, I will have the link in the description box so you guys could go check them out. And yeah, so anyways, that is all for today. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye guys.
Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face, tell me that you love me, even if it's